mo ba ay two-story house na kaya ang three bedrooms? Worth investing in terms of location, long-term value, and balanced lifestyle? We got the ideal home perfect for you. This is an actual deliverable unit of Linnea Single Attached. Ang bahay na ito ay may typical lot area na 100 square meters at floor area na 77.25 square meters. Mayroon itong malaking space for living and dining, kitchen, service area, toilet and bath sa ground floor, provision for three bedrooms, at toilet and bath sa second floor. With a very affordable down payment per month, achieve mo na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Available pa ito sa Pag-ibig Financing. Kaya naman, don't let this opportunity slip away. Secure your house and lot investment today!